Guess we'll find out here in a second how it runs. Smooth as a baby's butt except for a vacuum leak. Nope. There we go. Tick tock. Tock tick. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Now, oil pressure. No check engine light. Yeah, baby. That's how you do it, I guess. Shut it off. Tick tock. Start it back up. See how it restarts. Well, guess my decision was good. Replace the rod main or the rod bearings. Yeah, baby. Can't complain. That's not bad, huh?
Not bad at all.
Not bad, see? V10s. We love them, we love them, we love them. Find out. Well, let's see if there's any leaks. Nope. Even better. Well, Maxy should be happy. I think the next thing we're going to start doing is exhaust and figure out what the generator needs to get going. So, happy tip for the day. Don't run your engine out of oil. Right?
Right.
Oh, Maxy, Maxy, Maxy. It starts, it runs, smooth. I think everybody's happy. Yeah, baby.